Your Kanban board looks simple. But every time you drag a card, you're one race condition away from silently corrupting your entire task order, and most tutorials never mention it. The obvious choice is a nested map, 4 arrays, 1 for each column. It feels clean until 2 a.m. when your sync layer breaks and you're debugging why do and schedule just swapped all their tasks. The fix is a flat array. Every task carries its own board name and position. Your database sees plain rows. Your UI groups them on render. No transformation layer, which means no 2 a.m. sync debugging. If you're sorting by created at, you're not actually ordering anything. The second someone drags a card, that timestamp is meaningless. You need an explicit position integer recalculated to contiguous values on every single move. Same column and cross column moves aren't the same problem. Same column, splice and reorder. Cross column, remove, insert, change the board name and recalculate positions for both columns independently. Get one wrong and your state desyncs. Updating one task at a time is n round trips. Instead, bundle the whole operation into a single JSONB payload and fire it at a PostgreSQL RPC. But here's the catch. Without PG advisory Zact lock, 2 users dragging at the same time will corrupt your order. Advisory locks are cheap and session scoped. They don't block reads, only concurrent writes to the same lock ID. That means you get atomic consistency without killing performance. Skip this, and you're gambling with silent data loss. The whole app is local first. Tasks live in local storage and work instantly. No loading spinners, no network dependency. Cloud Sync is opt-in. Zustand handles state, persistence, and optimistic updates in under 50 lines. Optimistic UI means the task appears before the server even knows about it. Generate a temp ID, render immediately, fire the insert in the background. If it fails, roll back and show an error. The user never waits. When the server responds, swap the temp task for the real record. The temp UUID dies instantly because every future operation on that task needs the real database ID. Miss this step and your deletes and updates will target ghosts. Tasks created offline are marked source. Local. On login, only those get pushed. The sync uses last write wins by timestamp. For one user, that's enough. For collaboration, you'd need vector clocks, but the data model is already structured for that evolution. Not a single hard-coded hex value exists in any component. Colors live as CSS custom properties on root. Light and dark themes are complete independent token sets, not dark, overrides, 400 variables. Flip data theme and the entire UI responds. Every quadrant color has a full opacity ladder, from 4% to 92%. Hover states, focus rings, background layers, all derived from the same token. This eliminates an entire class of bugs where something just looks wrong in dark mode. None of these problems are hard alone. The complexity comes from how they compound. Your data model affects drag and drop, which affects sync, which affects conflict resolution. Every shortcut you take shows up later as technical debt. The biggest win was aligning product intent with architecture early. Local first wasn't just a tech choice. It eliminated mandatory accounts, simplified auth, and made the app feel instant. Technical choices exist to answer product questions. If you're building this, start flat, add explicit positions, use optimistic UI, lock your reorders, and theme with CSS variables. Do that, and your future self won't be debugging sync failures at 2 in the morning. If you've hit the drag and drop race condition in production, drop a comment. Subscribe for more deep dives on Next.js, React 19, and the decisions that separate working code from systems you can actually trust.